Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to change your name in Ludo King. To change your name in Ludo King, follow these quick steps. Launch open the Ludo King application on your mobile device and then make sure to log into your account. After you're signed in, from the main screen, look for your profile icon located at the top left corner. This will open up the statistics page. Go ahead and tap on your Edit Profile button at the bottom and then tap on your name right next to your profile avatar. Erase your current name and type down a new one. After you are done, click on Continue at the bottom to save your changes. And that way you can easily change your name in Ludo King account. Your new name will be displayed in your Ludo King profile and throughout the game. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.